Stop wasting time, stop getting distracted, and stop complaining. Normally, CA students don't get enough time to study. You are so lucky that you have got so many months to prepare. My mom would always tell me, don't waste precious time. I did not understand that when I was studying. But now I understand the value of time because I never find enough time to do the things that I want. Now I understand what she meant by don't waste precious time because this time lost will never come. Don't get distracted by what people are saying on YouTube. Don't wait for such videos which will give you some information whether exams are postponed or not. The media is full of such information which will only distract you, not help you prepare for the exam. What are we doing? We are wasting precious time, that time which we should utilize for studying. We are wasting that in finding videos whether exam will be postponed further or not, whether exams will happen in July or not, whether they will happen in November or not. Instead of studying, we are just allowing people to feed us with this irrelevant, not required information. How many days are left for exam? If you're a CA foundation student, you have just 15 days left for each subject. You need to study and revise, solve past exam papers. If you're a CA inter student or a CA final student, you have less than a week for each subject if you're giving both the groups together. Will you be able to complete studying, revision, solving exam questions, whatever you want before the exam? Instead of studying, why are we getting distracted? Why are we allowing people to distract us? You are so lucky you have time to study. You are so lucky that you don't know what the other person is studying. You can't see them. You are in your home. Normally, what happens when we see our friends studying, we are so tensed. What is he studying? Oh God, I have not studied that. Then you change the subject. Such distractions are no longer available. You get to decide your timetable. You get a space in your home to study. You can set a target. You can achieve that target. But what are we doing? We are either very lazy. We feel distracted. Why should we study now? We have a lot of time. Maybe exams won't happen in the month of July. Maybe they'll get postponed. Why wait for that news? Because time lost now will not come. It's lost forever. Don't waste this opportunity. If you agree with me that you will not waste this opportunity, write in the comment section that I am lucky. I have extra time to study. I will not waste it because time wasted now, time lost now will be lost forever. And I don't want my dear students to waste this golden opportunity which they have received to study, prepare for exam and ensure that they clear in this attempt itself.